Alright YouTube, listen up. I know I put it on Instagram now. I told y'all I was coming back to the wave game. Okay? I am. Okay, listen to me, I am. But the thing is, I haven't really showed y'all how I cut my little, I don't even know what this is. My little fro with the little curls on top. I haven't made a video on this, so hey, bear with me. Chill out, chill out, chill out. Okay, alright, chill, listen, chill, okay. Okay, you ain't even had to say it. You ain't even had to say it like that. Alright, okay. Okay. Alright, y'all gonna really put this pressure on me? Okay, I'm coming back. I already said I was coming back.
Bro,
what you wanna fight about it? Is that what we doing now?
Throw your hands up.
For real?
For real.
Let's go.
Yes,
then.
indeed.
Come
Let's
on,
do
man.
it.
For real? That's what we doing though? Come on, man. It's just a haircut. It's just waves, man. I'm gonna still show y'all how it done. Let's go.
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, so the first thing you guys want to do before you start cutting your own hair is make sure that you pick everything out and brush everything down in place. That makes for a neater cut when everything else is laid down. So first step I'm going to take is I'm going to use my Babyliss skeleton trimmers to set in my bald line. Now you don't have to use your trimmers. You could go with the lever closed if your clipper is zero gapped and just go upward. I just like to use my liners because it makes a more definer and prominent guideline. Next step, with the lever open, using my Andis cordless masters, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I keep it consistent all the way down to the ear, and just making sure that I set this guideline in and go over it multiple times so it's really at that lever open length. Now with the one guard open, doing the exact same thing, but this time kind of scooping out. I'm going up about a ½ inch, keeping it consistent, going over it multiple times. Now with the two guard with the lever open, I'm simply scooping out. I'm not setting in a guideline. I'm just basically trying to get the bottom half to flow into the afro up top. So putting back on the one guard with the lever open, I'm gonna go with the grain up top because it's kind of hard to shape your afro yourself. So you gotta kind of, use your tools in different ways. So right now I'm just going with the grain to get it to blend to the bottom half. Now with the zero guard closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Keep in mind to start below the line, flick to the line, and just because it doesn't come out, that doesn't mean you go higher. Just keep doing it and make sure that you keep it consistent in that area. So now when it comes to taking out that bottom line, I'm gonna use the lever halfway just to soften it up, and then I'm gonna fully close the lever once I feel that it's at its softest it can be. Then I'm going to close the lever, and in a flick out motion do the same thing I did with the zero guard close. I'm going to stay in that region, and if I need to go up, I'm going to adjust the lever as I go up. So next step, I'm going to do some detailing. I'm going to use my corners, and I'm definitely not going to use the same, be in the same area. I'm going to grab my mirror. I'm going to look at it, from the side. I can't just stay in this position the entire time. I really need to see what I'm doing. So right now I'm just doing detail work. So right now I got this 6 guard with the lever open, and I'm just taking down the top. It's fairly easy because I'm not gonna shape the top because I'm gonna curl sponge it. I just need to get it down to a length where everything is all even. I'm not really cutting off too much. So what I like to do with the front line is I like to take my 1 guard and just go down on the front line. That way it gives me more of a crisp line. I'm gonna spray hairspray on my front line just to lock everything in place. That way my hair won't move when I line it up. So before I start curling my hair, I like to apply this Nappy cream in my hair. It really helps my hair look real healthy and just helps the curl up a lot better. So I put it in my hand and I do it in a circular like motion, just like I would if I were to be using the curl sponge. So with the curl sponge, all you got to do is go in small circular like motions. Listen, let me tell you why I cut my own hair, because I save a lot of money, I spend myself in a 360, and I come out looking like,
damn son, where'd you find this?
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Listen, if you guys want me to go back to the waves or keep this look right here, let me know in the comment section below. I really want to hear you guys out on this one. Pretty much you guys are probably gonna say go back to the waves, and I'm fine with that, but I still want to know in the comment section below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Shit.